Okay, so we're doing our polar training in Lake Winnipeg, Canada. We went for a ski this morning. We also did a bunch of things like talked about lighting the stoves, lit stoves with the group.
A little bit. I could be in the main part of the tent, but the stove is in the vestibule. So now I'm just waiting.
Oh, that burn? No?
All the exhaust just in here though.
Taught them how to kind of the ski technique, how to pack their pulk or their sled.
That on top as well, kind of right here, so I know where it is. Or I can loosen these up a little bit more.
And now last night they camped right over here off my back shoulder, close to the cabin. So we had a night of kind of lectures and things like that. And then we went outside and they spent the night out camping close to the cabin so they could be comfortable. Talked about camping in the cold, insulation from the ground, and double sleeping bags. It's been pretty cold here. I'd say the temperatures have been about -6, so not terrible at the moment. And we're taking another ski this afternoon.